shit. Shaking her head. No, no, no. No, no, no. You shaking your head is not going to make me stop, is it? That is gorgeous, that. Oh my god. Fucking hell, it was a speed bump there, Jesus! Nearly came off the fucker. Oh my god. Woo! Then again. Wow, that was not nice. What's up here? Where are these stairs? Fuck, the stairs, there's a path. Is that a cross right here? Oh no, it's wet. Shit. That's it, man. No! Mother. K3 was loving it. You can't ride a bike. It's not fun. Oh fuck. Okay. It's not. I'm not trying to pop a tyre right now. My battery's gonna rattle to fall. That did not sound healthy though, did it? Oh god. I don't think I've tightened my front brakes well enough. Shit, it's fine. It'll have to live. Imagine trying to scrape this. It's a bit fucking difficult. Mr. Traffic, not traffic officer, Mr. Warden. He's gonna write me a ticket in a second. Squeeze Ben's this shit. Ah, got no sensation. Jeez. Got no sensation. This ain't it. Oh, look at the fucking... Yo, that's not normal. What is going on? Not on a fucking little pit bike, man. That is so bait. Oh my god, I just let God take the wheel from me, holy shit. Oh my god, my arm. I still can't feel it. Now I'm saying, if you can't fucking wheel your bike and you own a bike, like, realistically, sell the bike. Like, you surely got to be able to look, that's just basic control, like, not even in a, oh, I ride streets and I can wheel it. It's just, imagine you going on a trail, right, and you miss a jump or you have to hit a bump, right? You don't want your foot suspension taking hold of the impact, so you literally start wheeling through it. You know what I mean? So, you know. Oh, we've got plenty of gap right there, look at that. Oh, look at that, your fucking butter, mate. Actually butter. Okay, I wasn't looking up, and then this guy nearly fucking killed me. Before I was taking it as well. Oh. Mate, it's the fucking throttle, that's what it is. See, I'm off as well. Try doing that with a clutch, motherfucker. Thank you. I nearly just pressed my horn on accident. Oh my god, I nearly pressed that. That's such a bad placement. I went to put my hand back on it. Oh, that dog would have got a heart attack. I think I would have as well. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, that felt like a whip. No. Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck. Ow. Ah. Where the fuck am I? This looks nice though. I'll give it to you. Look at that fucker. What? I know I wanted to get off my bike, but like, a bit of a nicer dismount than that. Let's not get my winky in the video. I feel like I'm connecting with nature. I feel like I should just like hug this tree right now. Literally examining a tree. What has my life come to? Forget bike videos, just nature. Camping. This traction is. Oh, it's muddy as fuck. Come on, Mike! Oh, it was muddy as fuck. Whoa. Oh my god, there's like a million school kids. Yeah, no, we're not doing that. We are not doing that. I'm gonna end up fucking killing somebody by accident. I sound like a beetle. Oh. There's another pop up here. About to run a pigeon over, God's sake. I've already had my breakfast. That was sick. Oh, that was sick as fuck. I'm doing that again. Can I do it this way instead? Yeah. Oh, actually, oh, cool. Little jump in. A little. Woo! Yeah, man. Right. Well, everyone calls me for rolling on a bike. It's like you just show dominance. You know, so many flies. The patch is just the drrrr. Oh, that didn't sound good. I think I actually just popped it. I went scudded at pop pop and it went pop. Her reaction was priceless. Her reaction was actually priceless, no fucking way. Yeah, she's staring at baby Razzo. Shaking her head. No, no, no. No, no, no. You shaking your head is not going to make me stop, is it? No, no. Oh, what am I going to do? No. Oh, bloody bastard. The motor's a bit fucking hot. Jesus, oh my god. It's fine. It'll do. There's the pond. Oh shit. I'm sorry, my bad. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry, man. Look at them little ones. Oh my god, they're so cute. I'm sorry. Just get a video and I'll go away. Please, I'm sorry. Why are they yellow? I don't know which one's the mum or the dad. They're both pretty scary looking. Also, 2 of your kids have run off, mate. You didn't even realise. They're behind the bushes. Right, I'll go away now. I've never known about this. Oh, nettles. Okay. Yo, I've got no traction. Why is there a moped wheel? Where's the rest of the bike? Right, I've got no traction. Walk alongside of it. Shit, I'm going in with it, aren't I? For fuck's sake. That work. I'm just gonna stand up bloody tricycle wheel and run over my own toes in a second. Let's go. Oh, look at that, professional. Oh god, there's a fucking rock. Just nearly fucking ate a bug. Oh, it went in my eye then my mouth. Oh shit. Not into a tree. Oh, I've got not good tyres on, man. Sorry guys. Yeah. Don't know whether she said yeah. Like, so I'm sorry. Yeah. But this is all AI generated anyway. So, do you know what I mean? Trust me, these new graphics cards that they're selling, crazy. You could do anything with these RTX 5090s, man. I swear. You can create anything. AI is a crazy tool, guys. I think I need some goggles, man. I do have some, I just don't know where. Steam up. Pigeon! Pigeon! Bloody hell. Oh, the amount of calluses on my face. That was sick. Oh, that's it's so sick. You're loving it.